Welcome into the channel, guys. As the title of this video indicates, today I am making a Kahlua red velvet cake. My ingredients you see flashing across the screen here will be listed in the description box for your convenience. Now let's put this cake together. Here in my mixing bowl, I'm adding my shortening and my canola oil. I'm going to get it mixed in really well before adding the remaining of my ingredients. Dropping the speed of my mixing, I'm now adding in my 2 cups of sugar. Going in for the scraping down of my bowl and continue to mix until we get the desired consistency. I'm now adding in my sour cream. Here I'm adding my vinegar and baking soda mixture. I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Here I'm adding in 2½ tablespoons of Kahlua. I mixed this on a high speed for about 1 minute. Then I went in, scraped down my bowl, and mixed it again for another 1 minute. It is now ready for my dry mix, and I'm going to try and add it in intervals of 3, ending with the dry mix. Guys, you may notice throughout this video that I'm trying to display the timer to give you guys an idea of the speed that I'm using and how long the timer is counting for me to mix this batter, because I do not want to over mix. So the display showing the time and the speed is just to give you some guidance on what it is I'm actually doing. After mixing here for 1 minute, I'm going in to scrape down my bowl very well, and then I'm going to go in for the final mix. I've prepared my pans using Baker's Joy cooking spray. And to get as close as possible to the same amounts in each pan, I initially started with 2 cups per pan. And then the remaining batter that I had, I added 1 spatula full to each pan until I was done with all of the batter. So this is what you see me doing here. And then, because I wanted the tops of my cakes to be as smooth as possible so as not to have to shave off any of the top, I am using a measuring cup with a flat bottom to smooth out the tops. Let's hope it works. After 20 minutes, baked at 300 degrees, we have 3 layer cakes here. So let's go ahead and get the icing on. Now for my icing, I initially started out mixing in a bowl using my handheld mixer, but I decided to increase the amount of icing that I wanted to use. So the ingredients that I used was 8 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of butter shortening, 1 full stick of butter, 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 teaspoons of butter extract, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of Kahlua. To thicken it up, I used 7 cups, yes, 7 cups of powdered sugar, and also 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch. For the cakes that I baked for my cake crumbs, I used half a cup of Kahlua in the batter. So my cake crumbs are really boozy. This allows for a little bit more control over the amount of boozy taste to this cake that I wanted to have. Not too little nor too much. And here is a peek inside to see what it looks like. This cake is simply delicious. If you've made it to the end of this video, I would like to say thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you have enjoyed this content, and I will see you again on the next one, Yah willing. Shalom.